Wrong ones part ways, right ones find their way. The article I am sharing with you today is about what men fear the most when they cheat, especially the last one. I don't know if you've noticed, in recent years, there has been an increasing number of TV dramas and movies addressing topics related to infidelity and mistress. The reasons behind this trend can be attributed to the audience's immersion in the stories and the frequent occurrence of such events in real life, causing a strong sense of identification. When it comes to choosing a life partner, many girls focus on attributes such as appearance and wealth, but especially in the eyes of parents, character has always been an important consideration. We often hear phrases like, "Finding a partner is crucial," and "having a good person is key." However, whether a man can be devoted and faithful requires time to test. Some girls may think of marrying an honest man, but in the end, they may discover that honesty might depend on one's financial situation. When someone has nothing, being an honest person might be easy, but once they have a bit of money, they might forget their principles. People thought Edison Chen was a playboy, but after he married Quinn Shupi, there haven't been any scandals. So, when it comes to choosing a partner, it's not just about appearance. Time is the ultimate judge. Many times, people post online expressing concerns about problems in their relationships, suspecting their partner of infidelity without concrete evidence. In fact, a woman's sixth sense is often accurate. If you feel something is wrong, it's because you've noticed a change in your partner's attitude. Once a person cheats, they become uneasy, and that uneasiness leaves traces to be found. Men, when they have an affair, fear their wives' detection the most. When questioned by their wives, they become more sensitive. As the saying goes, a guilty conscience needs no accuser. Cheating men are the same. They fear being found out. After a man cheats, he fears these three behaviors from his wife, especially the last one. Fear of the wife collecting evidence and discovering the affair. 2. Fear of the increased expenses associated with the affair being noticed. 3. Fear of the wife seeking a divorce and taking away assets. Men who cheat are driven by temporary excitement, and they may forget their promises to their wives and family. But when the passion fades, they start worrying about being discovered by their wives. Some men, in their affairs, enjoy having both a stable family life and the thrill of an affair with a mistress. They fear their wives finding evidence of the affair, so they try to hide their actions, lie, and maintain a facade of normalcy. However, lies cannot last forever, and the truth will eventually come to light. Men who cheat may experience a sudden increase in expenses, and when questioned by their wives, they may become defensive. If a man cannot explain where his money is going, it's because he doesn't want his wife to know where he spends it. When a man cheats, his money and his heart are in the same place. Even if a cheating man tries to cover his tracks, it's challenging to hide from a woman's intuition and keen eyes. When the evidence is conclusive and the truth is revealed, the man will pay a heavy price for his mistake. Men who cheat fear the consequences of their wives seeking a divorce, splitting assets, or forcing them to leave with nothing. For most men, cheating is not driven by true love, but rather by a desire for temporary excitement. They won't easily give up their families for a brief thrill, as the cost is too high. The worst outcome of an affair is losing both the mistress and the wife, leaving the cheating man with regrets and nothing left. Therefore, cheating men often resort to various tactics, such as begging for forgiveness and making promises, to salvage their marriages and maintain the appearance of normalcy. However, it's not necessarily genuine remorse. It's just a way to minimize the damage. Cheating men fear their wives spreading the news, ruining their reputation and causing a scandal. Thanks for listening so far. This channel is for everyone to improve better daily. If any of the words or sentences are helpful, then both my team and I will be very happy. Subscribing and following will help keep us moving forward. Let's get back to sharing. Most men care about their image and fear that their wives will expose their misdeeds, leading to public shame and humiliation. If the wife goes to the husband's workplace and creates a scene, it can affect his career and social standing. Many men are hypocritical in this way, being proud of their affairs when everything is secret, but denying everything when the truth is exposed. They fear facing the consequences and losing face. If forgiven easily, they might betray again. We often discuss topics related to infidelity in marriage, and identifying unfaithful partners is a popular topic online. However, deep down, I don't wish for every woman to become like Sherlock Holmes, always vigilant, because such marriages are not lovely at all. The happiest state for a woman in marriage is to be naive and trusting. This is something I've always believed. Unfortunately, reality doesn't always align with our ideals. Not every woman has the opportunity to remain innocent and avoid confronting the darker aspects of life. When people start a romantic relationship, they often have the goal of growing old together. It's sad that some people are tempted by the beauty on the shore and want to secretly leave the boat before reaching the destination. You want to cry and complain, but it's of no use. I hope we all can be the lucky ones. If not, I hope you can wake up early and start anew. It's said that if you don't want others to know, don't do it yourself. From the moment a person faces temptation and chooses betrayal, they should be aware that one day they will face the consequences of their actions. As individuals, we must have boundaries and principles. Everyone should bear the corresponding consequences for their behavior. Don't hurt easily, but also don't forgive easily. Only those who understand the value of a relationship deserve to have true happiness. That's it for today's sharing. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Looking forward to meeting you again.